Right, I'm leaving the family for 7 or 8 weeks and I'm off to Everest. Here we go. Right, I'm slightly concerned because these bags feel really heavy. I've got 40 kilos allowance, but I'm nervous I'm going to be over. So I have to see. I had a sudden thought when I checked the bags in. I managed to get this out, which is my Starlink and the Withing scales, both electronic, and no electronic items in the bags. So, okay, here's the start of it. On the flight, ready to go to Mumbai. Right, I'm at Mumbai airport. Managed to get through the security, but it was not easy because of all the batteries and electronics in my bag. And I'm now just heading towards gate 48.
By connecting people and aspirations, thank you for making India your preferred airline and giving us the opportunity to serve you today. We look forward to serving the business of your guests. Thank you.
Right, here we are, arrived at Kathmandu, starting our Everest journey. Right. See you, man. Right, we're in Tamil, got the kit, there he is, and we're going to find some more bits. Right, here I am in Kathmandu for Everest Summit, day 1, and you probably know my kit bag is stuck in Terminal 3 at London Heathrow, but good news is one bag did arrive and I've got my Withing scales and body scan. I'm going to take daily stats and a resting heart rate every morning to feed you with some stats to see how things my journey goes as I go up and down Everest. Weight 70.95, body composition fat 13.3%, muscle 82.3%, visceral fat 2.3, vascular age 44, nerve health 80.